3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Salaam Live!
Behind them, we see these little hot rods here, these pink hot rods. This is Asiya, Shriners of San Mateo.
They're lowriders.
They have their own lowriders, except they go a little faster, I think.
But they go a little lower.
Right, exactly. But these guys, they're a part of Shriners International. They support 22 hospitals for children in not only the United States, but also Canada and Mexico.
Yeah,
and
they're known worldwide for providing medical care for children with burns, spinal, and orthopedic problems. They help children with cleft lips or palates. They say one of the things that really makes up the common bond are the many different cultures that they can help.
Here. What are you guys doing here in the office?
Oh my gosh, Alessia and Paige, Gary's girlfriend.
And I'm Gary, the recorder.
We're just talking about Saturday, June 8th.
What are we doing on June 8th?
The Shriners Walk for Love.
We are at the Shriner Day Walk for Love at the Shriners Hospital, and everyone is getting ready to walk for an awesome cause. Good morning there.
Good morning, how are you?
I am awesome. Tell us all about this walk that's going on today.
Well, today's a great day as we celebrate 20 years of Shriners Hospitals for Children in Sacramento, and it's been a great 20 years with the community support that we've had and the fact that we've treated over 70,000 special children in this hospital.
And look at everyone here. Who is excited for the walk?
Yeah!
Now they're getting ready to warm up. Now, this is David over here. Good morning, David.
Good morning.
Why did you decide to come out and walk today?
Well, I've been a Shriner for several years, and it's just a great day to come out and be with the community and meet some of the families and be able to celebrate what Shriners has been able to do for so many kids.
And then you guys, it's a great day for family with kids and your ladies. There's face painting, there's going to be music, there's a 5K run that I'm not doing, but we're going to do the walk for sure.
We'll be walking only 1.5 miles.
What's your name? Hector. All right, what are you doing today here?
I'm just thinking about my mom. Keep on making me food and let me play with everything.
And want to share it?
Yeah.
So what are you sharing today?
Some toys with my brothers.
Alrighty. Say hello, Shriners.
Hello, Shriners.
Alrighty. Alright, big smile.
Cheese.
Yay.
Welcome to Salaam Live, the Patrol and Hillbilly Edition.
What is happening, guys?
Well, let me tell you, we come in from Possum Holler to take and educate you on all the things happening around here. We done got some stuff going on. We're already talking about the 4th of July parade to honor all them people that over whipped everybody's butt that was against us. And we done have some other stuff. We done got all the cousins together. We done got the captain of the patrol. We got a past captain. We got a Mountain William. He's an educated one. And then we have the enforcers over here. We be fixing up that still and the vittles, and we want you to come down and partake with us. We'll be down by the creek fixing them up, and it'll be a good time.
What's the date?
August the 17th, 9 a.m.
What time? What time?
9 a.m.
Y'all come.
How much?
$15.
Per head.
Per head.
We will be looking forward to you coming on down.
Children under 5 free. And you can pay online.
You all come down now.
good.
Have a good
You
breakfast. You all
there
come
might
down.
even be some
Good
sample
old cake.
shine there.
Weans will meet you down by the creek, and we'll have some good victuals.
Yeah.
And everything will just be good. And if it ain't enough of this, and it will be.
All right.
Don't fall overboard. Wave at the camera. I know that. I know you're going to jump, whether you want to or not. But come on, I'm wasting film here. Wave to everybody. There we go, tying it off. Okie dokie.
Howdy, Reband of the Clan talking to you from Shasta Lake. If you guys
Michael.
aren't here, you don't know what you're missing. Get your butt up here and enjoy everything.
Gary, video.
Hey, I'm right in the middle of learning how to drive this sucker. It's fun.
Day 1, Shasta. Salaam live.
I'd like to present
How you doing?
the Commodore, the Commodore of this trip, Matt Davies, who apparently has never seen a watch that he liked because, again, this year he's an hour and a half late, smiling all the way and going, "Where is everybody?"
There's no late.
Wave to everybody, Matt. You're on. You're on TV. Okay, wait. Don't go anywhere. I don't know where I'm going. All right, everybody. This is Sam, Bobby's son-in-law. And look at this. First fish on the trip. There's a catfish he caught in the morning, and it wrapped up all kinds of lines, as you can see. But this he's a cutie. We're gonna eat him. I'm gonna put in, we'll get some more, and we can fry him up. Okie doke. All right. Oh, my. Please don't drop my phone in the water. Okay, there we go. There you are. The divine past president of the Rod and Gun Club, the greatest club in Shrindom, on his way out without a life preserver. Now you're embarrassing me. You boys do not have a clue what is involved in the wits.
Hey, dude. We came to play.
Check it out. We are the champions. We are the best club in Shrindom, and you can see that by the hors d'oeuvres that we have. Daniel, smile.
That be vittles.
Show them how you used to be 120 pounds until you joined.
I can't believe I ate the whole thing.
There you go. All right, and we have action. Here we go. It's Pinata. All right. All right, turn him around, Here we go. Oh, and he broke the bat. All right, Danny's gonna take it off. Battle of the century. Get out of the way, here we go. Oh, he killed it.
One swing.
Pernell, say hi.
Hi, this is Pernell. Just enjoying my time with the nobles right now. It's beautiful out here. Looking forward to next year.
Excellent. Okay, here we go. Bobby, the captain.
Yes, hello. Why aren't you here?
Oh, that's pretty. That's a good one.
Look at this. Here we are at SDA, over 2,000 miles from home, and what do I run into? The Arabian room. We is meant to be the Arabian room. There we go. Perfect.
Arabian Thunder.
Arabian Thunder, baby. Nothing better.
Because don't they have a cook-off coming up sometime in August?
Oh yeah, it's coming.
I heard Arabian Thunder. They done had a big old mess of beans, and there was all kinds of thunder. It was worse than that there movie, Blazing Saddles, with all the thunder be going
Get
on.
in line. Look at this. Look at these guys. Getting ready for adventure. Come on, guys. Wave to us Shriners. There we go. Arabian Thunder. There you go.
That's the wrong group.
There you go. Section crew in the house.
We're going.
Where you guys going?
4:30 in the morning.
4:30 in the morning. That early?
Too early
Wow.
to get up in the morning.
Too early,
Wide
huh?
awake yet.
All right,
Have a good
guys.
time.
This is the beginning of
On to
adventure
Springfield.
right here.
Here we come.
Here we come. All right, so we have the veterans here and we have newbies. So is this your first one, guys? First
This is my
SDA?
first. Yeah,
Your first
SDA.
You will always remember your first one.
I always remember it first. But
Yeah.
but
So what do you expect?
What am I expecting? Probably a whole bunch of fun. I gotta think. Probably some decent food too.
Decent food.
Yeah, hope for decent food.
In Missouri. What about our recorder?
So I'm looking forward to the Hillbilly Barbecue.
Once again,
Yeah, that's I see that on the schedule here, so that should be a lot of fun.
Hey, we're not hillbillies.
You're not hillbillies?
No, we're just kids.
You know, we ain't all hillbillies. Some of us are Mountain Williams.
You done got an education there? Holy moly! Where are you from? You're right. He need to be highfalutin.
I think he's talking upscale. He went up. He might have been up to New York City.
Did you actually graduate from first grade? Holy moly!
3 or 4 times.
3 or 4 times.
Where are we at, guys?
Here we are at Springfield, Missouri, and we're expecting to have a great time.
All right, so we have our captain, El Capitan, who doesn't know red from green. We almost died. Look at these guys. They're terrified. With just wet his pants. Let me zoom into that. Rich, are you alive? Are you okay, Rich?
Back here in the back of the van.
In the back of the bus. In the back of the bus. That's right.
Everything's going good here.
Everything's going good, sweetie. Are you alive?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Sweetie almost had a heart attack. Gee whiz.
We almost lost Sweetie.
I know. And I got a bunch of gray hair. So. Dun, dun, dun.
We're looking for Homer.
We are Asiya Shriners Special.
Special.
Representative of SDA.
That's right. That's right, guys.
Asiya Shrine.
Are you excited, guys?
We sure are.
All right,
Looking for new
perfect.
stunts.
That's right. It took us about
The Mother Lodge of the West.
it took us about what, an hour to get this car, longer than it took us to fly here. So yeah, we'll see. I'm glad we got insurance. That's all I gotta say. So, that's right. Anyway, good times. We're not gonna give Bill more hard time than we should. So we're heading back to hotel. We'll talk to you then, guys. Enjoy. So we're homeless. We got kicked out. We're just trying to find a place to live. We have no money. They took our passports, our IDs, our wallets. Yeah, we've been walking for 7 miles. Poor Sweetie, he's barely making it, you know.
Oh man.
The first 3 miles he was running. All right, Arabian Thunder here, and his lesser half here.
Lesser half.
Nicer half.
Thank you.
What's going on? What's going on, guys? Yeah, better half. There you go.
Well, we made it to Springfield. Here we are. We're ready for SDA. Starts tomorrow. We're all registered. Breathe the Missouri clean air.
Yeah, that's right. All we have is trucks.
We got new shirts.
Trucks. Walmart.
We got new shirts.
We got new shirts. Boom.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have Sweetie. We have Bill. We have trucks. We have trucks everywhere. Trucks, 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 trucks. And Walmart. 3 letters. 2 guys.
Here we are down in beautiful Springfield, Missouri at SDA.
SDA.
What greater time can we have than this?
The Oasis,
What a great
Rich.
place.
The Oasis.
The Oasis. We are at the Oasis in
Springfield, Missouri. Hey, Bill, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
Get your kicks on the Route 66, guys. Your friend here. What's happening?
I'm Terry Parrish. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
And we're here to be at the, well, what is this car show that's coming up on Route 66?
It's the Birthplace Route 66 Festival in Springfield, Missouri, August 9th and 10th. We're giving this car away.
And what a beautiful car it is, you know? Can you start it up one more time?
I'll be happy to.
Listen to this thing.
All right.
No.
Oh, hold on.
Nobody.
No. You know what?
All right.
You know what? California is special.
It's going to go to the West Coast.
What's going on, Gary?
Not much.
Shriners Hospital for Children. I'm doing the Salaam live here.
Oh.
Did you hear this? Did you hear it?
We're going to win
Music
this.
to my ears.
We're going to win this car for the Mother Temple of the West.
That's
Asiya
right. Mother
Shriners.
Temple of the West.
Asiya Shriners.
All right, so what's happening here, fellas?
There's my buddy right there.
Your buddy?
Yeah. Hello, buddy.
Well, we're making new friends. What can I say? Making new friends at SDA. That's right. That's right. So what's going on, fellas? Did you have a great time at SDA?
Yeah, absolutely.
100th anniversary, guys. SDA. Real brotherhood, like right here. 4 different temples. Boom. Different states. One country. One family. Thank you, guys. Have a great time. Cheers. All right, newsflash update, guys. This is night number 2 at SDA. We're in Missouri. We have a special VIP reserved seating.
I gotta wipe my mouth.
So, cousins. We have a few cousins here. Cousins. What are we having tonight, cousins?
How are you tonight?
I'm having some possum pie.
Possum pie and some hog jowl.
Hog jowls.
Possum pie for dessert. And possibly a little white night and a little shine could be coming out.
Nice. So we're here with okay, which shrine are you from?
Aladdin.
What's your name?
Ohio.
What's your name?
Jordan Holland.
Okay.
Amalika Shrine.
Amalika Shrine represented Daria.
Available in here.
All right, and the Ukrainian, the crazy Ukrainian.
Crazy
Hi, how are you? What's your name?
Good, Jennifer.
Jennifer's son, Robbie, is a patient
At Shriners St. Louis, and I just want to say thank you for all you do. We've gotten nothing but the best care for him since he was probably about 4 years old. So, thank you guys for all you do.
Do you have Robbie's photo? Do you have Robbie's photo? Oh.
Right there.
We just had a great dinner at Shake and Shake on John, Potentate. Thank you, John. No, wait a minute.
Thank you. All right, Guillermo, but what are we doing? What are we attempting here? You're signing the waiver.
I'm signing the waiver.
It says warning.
For the Branson roller coaster.
That's right, Branson roller coaster.
Signing my life away.
Signing your life away.
Lots of luck.
We'll see you, sweetie.
That's right. We hope we'll be able to survive this. Yeah.
See y'all. Come back and see us again one more time. We'll be back at the next Salaam Live.
And we will have some fresh shine for you. Possum Holler, big hello. Hope everybody comes down to visit us and we have a good old time.
Good old time.
Good old time. Let's shoot them off.
All right.
Here's the Floyd.
There's the Floyd. Floyd.
Floyd, we miss you. Rest in peace, Floyd. We love you, Floyd.
Love you, Floyd.
Floyd, here's to you. We will miss you deeply. Love you.
Love you, buddy.
Love you, Floyd. We'll miss you. I'll see you sometime. Not see you.